Eto mga idol, panoorin natin si Kuya na grabe ang ganda ng boses mga idol. Partida wala pang mic ito. So let's go, panoorin natin dito sa kanyang Facebook feeds mga idol. Scarlett.
Oh! Our dreams are young and we both know that take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to leave without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You won't know by now how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life, but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
I'm gonna pay a lot of money for this guy.
It's not so easy. Our love will lead the way for us, like a guiding star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share you. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to leave without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Mama, we.
God damn, bro. Holy shit. That is a goosebumps, man. Holy fucking shit.
Cheers.
God damn, bro.
Ayun, grabe naman ang boses ni Kuya mga idol. Partida wala pang mic yon. Ibang klase talaga ng ating mga dugong Pinoy mga idol. Pagdating talaga sa kantahan, halimaw talaga. Grabe. So kayo mga idol, ano masasabi nyo sa kanyang performance, sa kanyang rendition mga boss? Grabe, walang mic yun ha, partida pa yun. Pero kita mo naman, napakalinaw at napakalaki ang boses ni Kuya at ang sarap pakinggan. Ibang klase. Don't forget, pakipollow po ang Facebook page ni Scarlett mga boss. Siya po ang may-ari ng video at siya rin po ang kumanta. Grabe, ibang klase tayo. Scarlett, yan ang sinasabi natin talaga. Ang mga dugong Pinoy pagdating talaga sa kantahan, halimaw talaga. So kayo mga idol, ano masasabi niyo sa kanyang performance at ang kanyang rendition? Please comment down below mga idol kung ano po ang inyong mga opinion. At don't forget, pakipollow po ang kanyang Facebook page, Scarlett mga idol. Ilagay ko na lang po sa description ng kanyang link mga idol ha. Maraming salamat.